The biggest challenge I faced after, as soon as I finished my degree, I lost my dad. That is the biggest challenge from where I took my step ahead doing into fitness right now. That is one challenge I face till now. It's like too hard to overcome. I just want to break the stereotype. So I've got into the powerlifting just to show that women can do something better than men also sometimes. You work out for yourself and be honest to yourself. I used to work out alone without a powerlifter support. I used to not have any coach. Initial days, I used to work out on my own, thinking all the negativity, I made it as a positive. Alone, you can do anything. It's all about your mindset. The workout shows that how much you love yourself. That's all. So I want each and everyone to love their self and get into shape and feel the confident and do more great job. Yeah, that's all. Be strong. I want to become World Championship. That is my final goal. For me, the title is Strongest Woman in India makes me more proud. About myself, I am Ramya Chakravarti. I am from actually Tamil Nadu, but I born and brought up in Bangalore itself. So I know reading and writing in Kannada, but Tamil I know only talking, I can understand, that's it. So basically I am like a playful girl where I'll just rush to ground, play these things, that things, but luckily I got 70% in science also. So that is like great achievement for me in life to get that passing mark because I'm a very playful kid from childhood. I define fitness, it's supposed to be a healthy lifestyle. So nowadays people are not giving importance to fitness. I prefer that people at least do some activity like 30 to 40 minutes in a day. At least whatever you people eat, just burn it. It's not like you're going to, I'm not asking you people to go live, do this, that and all. Just do basic things to burn your calories. That is I'll define fitness as a healthy lifestyle. So day one when I started, I was playful. Whatever workout people used to do, I just go challenge them. I do workout according to them. Or if somebody lifts more than me, I'll be like, come on, lift. I'll show them like I'll lift more. So I used to compete with other boys. Like it's like without like understanding how it works for my body, I used to compete with other boys and do rough plans. Now I'm more into professional way. I know what to do today. For entire month, I'll be planned what to do. It's like if I want to do these things, I will be doing the same thing. Apart from that, I won't do anything. So you can say basically I'm toned into like a professional way of training so that I can compete well, I can win much more medals in my field, not like others roughly go and play around. Like for example, you are coming with me to fat loss or weight loss. I will not ask you to lift, go do this and train for this for the competition, no. But according to your fitness level, I'll organize the plan. I will analyze how fit you are and how much you can do. According to your capacity and capability, I will make a plan and give you the nutrition tips also. That is how I'll make sure that they'll get the progress in their own fitness goals. As a powerlifter, I specify the strength area because that is for my competition. So where I train, I will be specified in that. I like to do strength training more. The why I've choose powerlifting is like, people used to call like powerlifting strength only for the male, so male dominance area. I just want to break the stereotype. So I've got into the powerlifting just to show that women can do something better than men also sometimes. But I'm not saying generalizing or telling the discrimination like based on gender. But I'm just telling even women can do, women can lift and women can even get stronger as men. So that is how I've chosen powerlifting to show my strength. I started powerlifting from 2023. So I am 2 years old to the powerlifting. But what numbers I'm doing right now, people are struggling to do from past 5 years. So that is a great achievement I feel. My boyfriend have suggested me to do the fitness to start because he is my college mate. So he knows what I was. I was a great athlete in my college days. And I used to be a sports captain, and I used to play kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball. In everything, I'll be the captain. So that is how it started. So I'm a great athlete. So I went to district level in running itself. Like I used to be a 1,500 meters runner and marathon runner. I used to sprint well. So this is how I used to see me that progress, how I used to do well in the college days. But what happened after my college days, my dad passed away. So I have to force to go to work to take care of myself or take care of family and mom. as such. So I've got into those responsibilities, so I couldn't continue the sports field. So I forced to quit that sports field. Then I've started working in Airtel company, and I started working in Volvo also. So I was working in Volvo for 2 years. Then after I realized, okay, this is not my place where I have to supposed to be. Then I've shifted to powerlifting. I started to go to workout slowly. Then I got to know that I have more strength to do more things. Then one trainer suggested me, you're lifting lot of weights in the starting itself. Why can't you try the powerlifting? But many people opposed me also, saying that powerlifting is not meant for women, that supposed to be for the man field, and you're not that strong, or you don't look like bulky, or you look so tiny and lean. How come you're like wants to do powerlifting? That is where I started analyzing why it's supposed to be for men. Why can't I try? Then I started doing workout. Then I started focusing on deadlift, squat, and bench press. So I increased my PR in each field. Then after 6 months of workout itself, I got a chance for the WPC state. So where I secured gold medal. So then that is like a motivation for me. Okay, I am like strong girl. I can do many things. Without proper program and plan itself, I could do so much. Why I can't get into the field professionally and do well? So that is where I started training myself. I used to work out. See, the basic thing is powerlifters, people will think you should have 10 people, you should have the crowd to work out. You can't work out alone. Think about me. I used to work out alone without a powerlifter support. I used to not have any coach. Initial days, I used to work out on my own. So, but that ideas, I worked on myself. I got my true strength. So then later when I started reaching my goal, then my boyfriend took a step. So he helped me with the programming. So he used to take care of my program, everything. So that is how we started doing together. Now I can do squat about 140 kg and deadlift of 155, and actually till more, 155 is like few months ago, maybe it might increased also. That is there. And squat I can do up to 130 to 140 kg. So that is how I improved. I used to work out alone. Thinking all the negativity, I made it as a positive. Alone you can do anything. It's all about your mindset. And you should work properly with the safety method. You should know that progressive overload, not the minute you jump and you want to lift. Progressively you should get the strength and you should start lifting it. So don't think that powerlifters you should go to particular coach or particular powerlifter gym you can lift. Nothing like that. You can do anywhere and anytime. It's all about your mindset. So that is how I started my powerlifting. Whatever achievements I've done so far, it is like a starting step, still more to do. I feel proud to say when I am like top India athletes. Right now, I'm like, okay, fine, I'm happy whatever I've done, but it's not like proud moment still now. I like my glutes workout a lot. I like to get toned glutes, so I do hip thrust, like kickback, all those things, but it's not related to powerlifting, but I love doing those things. See, whatever I say, dominance area, stereotype breaking, every woman wants to have that curvy figure, right? So even I love to do glutes workouts. So that is my favorite workout to do. Still, I can't change this mindset. When you have periods, you are not supposed to work out. I feel like I want to change this mindset. Like the people will think if I work out during periods, I may not able to get pregnant in future, or my uterus becomes weak. All these things I can't remove it, but still, please guys remember, I still work out and lift heavy during heavy periods also. It's like your mindset. If you can tolerate the pain, if you can bear the pain, you can come and at least do few normal workout stretches, mobility drills. All these things will help you a lot to release your periods cramp. That I'll suggest you to do. Please don't keep in your mind saying that during periods I can't work out. You can absolutely, you can work out, but depends on your level of the performance, what you want to do. But you can remove that topic from your mind. You can do. So why I've chosen the fitness trainer job is like, that is what my passion is. Like I got that flow to get into fitness and shape of my things and build more confident. I want others to get the same as mine. So it's like if you get into shape, you feel that confident. You look at your mirror, like you see, yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm doing something great every daily basis. So yeah, it makes me motivate, and you can get that confident, and it keeps you calm. Plus whatever stress you have, you just come do your workout. That 2 hours gap, it will be very peaceful. So you won't think about anything else. You will just come do for yourself. The workout shows that how much you love yourself. That's all. So I want each and everyone to love their self and get into shape and feel the confident and do more great job. Yeah, that's all. Be strong. For me, that main goal is to become national record. I should hold a national record this upcoming competition, and I want to become world championship. That is my final goal. So even you asked me about the fitness women what I participated like few months ago, that gave me like good number of experience. Like how you say, I was into only the strength, pure strength base. That gives you the discipline. Have to eat, have to cut down. So actually it is a trouble for me. Getting fitness woman is like a great trouble. But first time I tried, but first time I got title winner also. That motivates me to do more, but it is hard to follow. I feel like all bodybuilders and whoever into that bodybuilding show physique, it's very great job you people are doing than me. Actually it feels very happy only, but I feel still I have to do more. For me, the title is strongest woman in India makes me more proud. So I feel this is also like a starting step where I can just show that okay, I'm little stronger than other female, but there are many things to do. So for me, that ideal is strong woman of India or world championship. Radio City.